Hola y buenas tardes. Bienvenidos a la clase de español. Esta lección es por la semana del 17 de marzo. Que hoy vamos a hablar sobre el concurso. Today we're going to talk about a contest that we're having in this class. Después vamos a aprender del trabajo escolar de los estudiantes. And then we're going to learn from the beautiful work that you turned in. Después vamos a leer el libro Las Calabacitas de Zora. And then we'll read the book, Zora's Zucchinis. Y al final veremos la tarea en Seesaw. And at the end, we'll look at the homework together on Seesaw. Okay, so this contest is happening during class. If you come to class live in person, okay, I'm going to be giving away raffle tickets for students that keep their cameras on the whole time. Also, students that are contributing to the class discussion. And you can be doing that by using your voice or dropping in your thoughts about what's going on in the class, answering the questions in the chat box. And then every day at the end, we'll have a raffle for class participation, okay? So if you are able to come to class live, okay, 4th and 5th grade happens Wednesdays at 2:35, and 6th grade happens Mondays at 2:35, okay? So that's something that we're gonna do. And then the raffle is going to be, the raffle prize will be a gift card to $10 gift card to Target. Okie dokie artichoke. So we started a brand new unit. Last time we went over the goals for the unit. The goals are to read a book in Spanish and in English. The book is called Las Calabacitas de Zora. The second goal is to learn about zucchinis, okay? And the third goal is to learn how to cook a zucchini recipe, okay? Last time we started reading the book. Today we'll read a couple more pages from that book. We'll also learn about types of zucchinis and where you can get them, okay? And last time, estudiantes, we started learning about zucchinis, okay? The different types of zucchinis. And we had a very cool assignment on Seesaw. So de tarea, aprendimos sobre la planta de calabacita, okay? Y todas las partes de la planta. So for homework, we learned about the different parts of the zucchini plant, okay? Quiero felicitar a Brisa de quinto grado. Ella hizo muy buen trabajo, usó las etiquetas para hacer par con el dibujo aquí con las etiquetas en inglés, okay? So Brisa did a really good job at matching the English and the Spanish labels to the English labels on the actual zucchini plant, okay? So aprendimos que la hoja, the leaf of the plant, okay? The leaf is called the hoja. Also, we learned that the stem of the zucchini plant is called el tallo. We also learned that the root is called raíz. And the seed is semilla. And the actual fruit, the actual plant, the actual thing that you eat on the zucchini is called a fruta. Okay, aprendimos que todas las plantas que comemos que tienen semillas son frutas, okay? So all plants that we eat are actually fruits, okay? So hay diferentes tipos de frutas. El zucchini es una fruta porque tiene las semillas, okay? We also learned that the zucchini plant has a male flower and a female flower, okay? The male flower is called a flor masculina and the female flower is called a flor femenina. Okay, another thing that we learned in class for homework was the different steps in the growth of a zucchini plant, okay? So aquí están todos los pasos del 1 al 9, de todos los pasos del crecimiento de la planta de zucchini. So desde la semilla, from seed, hasta que salen la fruta de zucchini, right? Until you get the nice zucchini fruit, okay, that you eat. So we label these from 1 through 9, the different steps, and then we put the Spanish name to each step, okay? So primero means first, segundo, second, tercero, third, all the way up to noveno, which is 9th. So this assignment was turned in by Yahaira, and she is a 4th grader, and she did a very beautiful job, and I wanted to showcase her work, okay? So that is what we've been learning in class, okay? We've been learning about zucchinis through this book, Las Calabacitas de Zora, and also we've been learning the science behind zucchinis, which is really, really cool, okay? So this book, okay, el libro que estamos leyendo, estamos aprendiendo sobre una niña que se llama Zora. So we learned about this girl, her name is Zora. Y ella estaba muy aburrida. She was feeling very bored, okay? Era el tercer día de las vacaciones de verano y ella quería más ideas. ¿Qué podía hacer para pasar el tiempo? So it was the third day of summer and she wanted new, fresh ideas. What can she do to not be bored? Okay, ella condujo su bicicleta por todo el pueblo. So she rode her bike throughout her neighborhood. Ella paró en una ferretería y vio que estaban regalando plantas de calabacitas. So she stopped by the hardware store and she discovered that they were actually giving away these zucchini plants, okay? Y ella habló con su papá y su papá le dijo que podía plantar las plantas de calabacita en el jardín. And then she got home, she talked to her dad. Her dad said, you know what? You can actually plant the zucchini plants in the garden, okay? Entonces, eso fue lo que ella hizo y los estuvo cuidando. That's what she did. And then she started taking care of the plant. Okay, vamos a leer una página nueva. Okay, you can read along with me. First, we are going to read the top part en español y luego en inglés, okay? A medida que el tibio junio se volvía un caluroso julio, Zora cuidaba su jardín. As warm June turned to hot July, Zora tended her garden. Regaba las plantas cuando las hojas se ponían tristes. She watered the plants when the leaves turned blistered. Gritaba entusiasmada cada vez que veía una nueva flor amarilla naranja. She screamed with excitement every time she saw a new yellow-orange flower. Muy bien, estudiantes. Can you tell me what is the word for garden in español? Muy bien, jardín is the Spanish word. What about flower? Muy bien, the word for flower is flor. Excelente. Let's keep reading. Una mañana, Zora descubrió su primera calabacita. One morning, Zora discovered her first zucchini. La arrancó del tallo de un solo jalón y corrió para mostrársela a su familia. She ripped it off the stem with a single pull and ran to show it to her family. Muy bien. Oh my goodness. I wonder how she's feeling. Her first zucchini plant. ¿Cómo crees que se sentía su primera calabacita? Yo pienso que ella se sentía muy feliz. I bet she was feeling very happy. Ok, estudiantes, ¿cuál es la palabra what is the word for zucchini in español? Zucchini en español es calabacita. Muy bien. Okay. And what about stem? How do you say stem in español? We learned that in our homework. Stem is tallo. Muy bien. Stem is tallo. Perfecto. Okay, estudiantes. We're going to stop right there. We're going to finish reading our book next time. What I want to do now is go over the homework, la tarea, okay? This is what I'm having you do for homework. Let me pull up the right page. It's not the right page. Okay, this is what your homework looks like for today. Let's listen to the directions together.
Hola estudiantes, today is day 2 of our unit all about calabacitas. If you did not come to class this week, make sure to watch the video lesson so the assignment makes sense to you. 1. Tap on the add response button. 2. Read and follow the directions for step 1, 2, and 3. 3. Remember to tap on the hand picture first, and then you will be able to pick up the labels to form the sentences. 4. When you are done with pages 1, 2, and 3, and you are happy with your work, click on the green check button.
Muy bien, vamos a hacer la primera página juntos. We're going to do the first page together, okay? So, step 1, okay? Step 1, it says, and let me circle this so you know what or let me put a little corazón so you know what I'm talking about. So step 1 right here, listen to the recording. So let's do that.
Puedes comprar calabacitas en el mercado de agricultores.
Muy bien. So notice how I just had you listen to a recording of my voice and I was reading this sentence out loud to you. Puedes comprar calabacitas en el mercado de agricultores. Because our homework is to answer this question, okay? The question for today, and it's one of our goals. ¿Dónde se consiguen las calabacitas? Where do you get zucchinis, okay? We're thinking about 3 examples, 3 ejemplos. El primer ejemplo es que puedes comprar calabacitas en el mercado de agricultores, okay? You can get zucchinis at the farmer's market. So step 2, it says, now you try it. Read the sentence and make your own recording. So you're going to click on the microphone and you're going to make your own recording of yourself reading the sentence out loud, okay? So first, you listen to the recording. Second, you made your own recording. The third part, it says right here, move the labels to form the sentence, okay? So you're going to click on the hand icon. So let me do that now. And then I'll be able to move these labels around. So, puedes comprar calabacitas en el mercado de agricultores. Puedes comprar calabacitas en el mercado de agricultores. You can get zucchinis at the farmer's market, okay? So we did the first page together. Now I want you to do page number 2 and then page number 3 together, okay? You're gonna learn about 3 different places where you can find zucchinis, okay? Estudiantes, that is all I have for today. If you come to game time today or this Friday, okay, we are going to be signing up kids to participate in the talent show. So make sure that if you want to be part of the talent show, you come so you can sign up. Second thing, we're going to be doing a little fun little contest. Okay. And if you, we're going to be sharing our favorite books. Okay. My favorite book as a kid was the Nancy Drew Mysteries. Okay. Nancy Drew. And Nancy Drew was this famous detective. It was a fictional character, okay? Nancy Drew is her name, and she has a whole series. Maybe you already read some of those books. So, my favorite book is Nancy Drew, okay, estudiantes? Have a beautiful week. Make sure you do that assignment on CISA, okay? I want to keep showcasing the beautiful work of my scholars, okay? And I will see you on Friday. Adios. Goodbye.